Hello, I'm Nate Lupson, and I'll be teaching you about something that I love, and my love is playing guitar, but I'm going to teach you how to play the blues. So the blues is made out of three chords, and it all depends on what the key is in. But I'm just going to do it in the key of A. So a lot of times the blues, you think it'll be sad. It depends on what the feeling you want. The blues is kind of like this sad feeling, it sounds like kind of like a train goes like chug 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 chug. Something like that.